If you are looking for a social media scheduling tool to use in 2026, I'm going to be showing you in this video 4 options that you can leverage with your team. So the first tool in the list is called PostPlanify, which is a social media management platform specifically built for agencies and growing teams. And let me go into the dashboard and show you things in practice. So this is the content calendar where you will be seeing all your scheduled and published posts all in one dashboard, all in one place. So I can see their details, I can preview them, I can see their details, all the caption, all the media files, I can see the performance details, and I can even discuss with my teammates if it's something related to this post. I can mention them, I can basically do all this sort of stuff in the calendar. And I can also switch between different view options. I can see my notifications based on the important metrics, and I can also do all sort of filtering right here as well. And basically it works on workspaces basis. So what that means is you're going to be creating workspaces, and under these workspaces you can connect your social media accounts for your agency as well. So for example, it supports Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and all the other social media platforms you see right here. After that, if you go into the create post, so first of all, you will be uploading your media file. This could be image, video, whatever. You can also import from Canva, Google Drive, Dropbox, and all the other alternatives you see here, by the way. So for example, just let me upload this image as an example. I can then select the accounts that I want to publish this post to. Let's say Instagram, Twitter, and I can also post this as a story. And I will be writing my captions for this post basically. Let's say example caption. Then I can customize my post per platform as well. I can set up locations for Instagram posts. I can add a first comment. I can write threads on Twitter. I can select all the other details, add collaborators, tag users, and all these sort of little customizations is supported on PostPlanify. By the way, this also includes uploading custom cover image for Instagram posts. Then I can preview my post, how it's gonna look like. I can also request approval from my teammates or clients if I want to before the post goes live. Then I can schedule this post for a later date. I can publish it right now or save it as a draft if I want to come back to it later. By the way, in the Analytics suite, you will be able to see all your account details and also as well as the overview of how things are going on your site as well. So for example, this is the Analytics suite. I can see my total followers, my views, my engagement data. I can see my daily views, my top posts, and also all the account-based details right here as well. So for example, let me go into my Twitter account. Here I can also see the account-based details right here. For example, my trend graphs, my followers, my views, my engagement data. I can also see my best times post data and also post performance details right here. In the social inbox tab, you can basically manage all your comments and DMs across your accounts. So for example, this is a comment that I got. I can write a reply. I can also use AI. I can get one from my saved replies, assign specific comments to my teammates so they can take care of it. I can assign labels. I can also get back to my DMs, like all these sort of private messages right here as well. In the media library, you will be able to manage your brand assets. You can create folders, you can create tags for easier categorization. You can upload some media files to use them later in your post as well. And then all the images, videos, and all the media files you'll be using in your post is going to appear right here. You can also even create branded PDF reports for your own performance or your client account's performance as well, by the way. So for example, I can give it a title, select the date range, select the accounts. Once I click on generate, I'll be seeing all my generated PDF reports right here. I can see their details in a link. I can see my total followers, my views data, my engagement data, and also my account-based details such as how it's changing, like how my metrics are changing over time, the time period that I selected. I can see my trend and insights graph, my engagement rate details, my daily views, and also as well as my top performing posts, which is pretty crucial because you can just basically make data-driven decisions based on what is working and what is not. And as for the pricing, it starts from $99 to $299 and beyond based on what you need. You can see all the details right here as well, by the way. It supports all the features that I just showed you. So let's get into the second tool, which is called Hootsuite, which is a pretty known social media management tool specifically for teams and enterprise clients who wants to get much more than a regular social media management tool. So for example, as you can see, it starts from €99 per user per month, And there's also the advanced plan, which comes with unlimited social accounts and two for $9 per user per month. The caveat here is, so let's say you have a 10-person team, you want to invite your client team members as well. So it starts from at least $1,000 to, let's say, 2,500 euros every single month. And there's also, of course, the enterprise option. But of course, if you're an enterprise client and if you want to, let's say, benchmark yourself against competitors, you want DM automations, you need to analyze brand and competitor sentiments and all this sort of high-level stuff. But the true point here is that most teams and agencies don't actually need all these sort of features, so it might be much better for you to look for some other solutions as well. The third tool in the list is called Agorapulse, which I really like about them as well. They start from $99 to $199 per user and per month, and the caveat here is again the same as the Hootsuite one, that it is per user. So if you want to, let's say, invite 10 team members, 20 team members, then your cost is going to be basically multiplied by the number of team members you want to invite to your workspace. And there's also like some limits on the schedule, like all these features are basically limited to the plan itself. For example, the monitoring and replying to ad comments, or like expanding your publishing toolbox with link in bio, Instagram product tagging, the calendar notes, and also like automated moderation rules and bulk actions, shared content calendars, and all this sort of stuff is basically starts with the professional or advanced plan. So it is much better to go with them. And there's also the 10 social profiles limit based on the plan that you select. So this is worth mentioning as well. And the last tool that I selected is basically a much simpler solution to all the other alternatives that I showed you in this video, which is called Buffer. They start from, let's say, they are basically per channel price, by the way. They are starting from $6 per account, per social account that you connect to Buffer, to also there's a team plan, which is $12 per month, which is coming with unlimited team members and all the other features set you see here as well. And the good thing about Buffer is they also have a free plan, which is not really that much, like it is not really usable in a real life, but it might be also a perfect plan for some starting solo creators or small business owners who want to just publish a few posts, schedule a few posts, and try out a platform instead of all the other alternatives. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you 4 tools that you can leverage as a social media scheduling tool in 2026 that you can use with your team, at your agency, at your business, whatever, and basically make your life much easier on the social side. Hope you found this video helpful. Have a great one. Take care. Cheers.